Hey everyone, welcome back to another exclusive podcast from IronFX, where we're dedicated to bringing you the absolute best education to help you take your trading to the next level. I'm your host, Desmond, and today we'll be discussing Trump trades following the recent US presidential elections, with Republican nominee Donald Trump securing a large majority and the GOP taking control of both the House and Senate. Markets are buzzing. We'll break down what Trump trades are, the sectors benefiting from his victory, and what we might expect from these teams heading into 2025. Let's begin! The recent US presidential elections delivered a decisive victory for Donald Trump, who won with a large majority. Not only that, but the Republicans also flipped control of the House from the Democrats and retained control of the Senate. Right, this unified government is seen by many as a catalyst for swift policy implementation, which markets are already responding to. Historically, markets tend to react favorably to clear election outcomes as they reduce uncertainty. With the Republican Party now holding all key levers of government, investors are focusing on sectors likely to benefit from Trump's policy priorities, often referred to as Trump trades. So, what exactly are Trump trades? These refer to the investment teams and sectors expected to benefit from Donald Trump's proposed policies. Let's explore the primary sectors poised to gain. Energy sector. Trump's pro-energy agenda, including support for fossil fuels, deregulation, and expanded drilling, is likely to benefit oil and gas companies. Pipeline projects and domestic energy production could also see renewed emphasis. Defense and aerospace. Increased defense spending has been a hallmark of Trump's policies. Defense contractors and aerospace companies could see significant gains as government contracts expand. Rise infrastructure. Trump has pledged major investments in infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and airports. Right? This could boost construction firms, material suppliers, and heavy machinery manufacturers. Financials. Deregulation is another cornerstone of Trump's economic agenda. Banks and financial institutions are expected to benefit from loosened restrictions, potentially boosting profitability. Industrial manufacturing. With promises to bring manufacturing jobs back to the US, industrial firms focused on domestic production could thrive. These sectors reflect the market's anticipation of Trump's policies and their potential economic impact. Looking ahead to 2025, what can we expect from these Trump trades? Here are some considerations. Policy, follow-through. The success of Trump trades will largely depend on how effectively the administration can pass and implement its policy agenda. With a Republican-controlled Congress, many of Trump's initiatives may gain traction quickly. Global trade dynamics. Trump's trade policies, including potential tariffs or renegotiations of international agreements, could influence global supply chains. Investors should watch for opportunities and risks in sectors tied to international trade. Market rotation. As Trump's policies unfold, we may see a rotation of capital into the sectors mentioned earlier, especially if infrastructure spending ramps up or defense budgets expand. Volatility. While markets are optimistic, there's always the potential for volatility if proposed policies face resistance or if geopolitical risks arise. Traders should remain vigilant and diversify their portfolios. Overall, Trump trades are likely to remain a key market theme in 2025, with opportunities for both short and long-term investors. And that wraps up today's discussion on Trump trades following the US presidential elections. With a Republican sweep and market expectations high, these investment teams could shape the trading landscape for months to come. Thanks for tuning in, and in the meantime, do remember to subscribe to our podcast here at IronFX, where we're dedicated to bringing you the very best education to take your trading to the next level. Until then, stay informed and stay tuned.